We start with some breaking news. There's a horrifying video of a killing of a young woman by stabbing with a sharp weapon which looks like a blade. This video has surfaced now. The video is of accused Krishna Kanoja stabbing a woman. There is, of course, a crowd of onlookers at the scene. Shubda Khudare has died in this attack. That's the name of the victim. The accused has been arrested and is also in police custody. Let me go across to my colleague Revati, who will give us more details on this. Revati, horrifying details there. The visuals clearly, is the woman trying to record the video, and there is, of course, a group of onlookers who are not really intervening, which is shocking. Tell us, what more do we know on this case?
Definitely, Vasudha, as you rightly mentioned, some people there were just acting as spectators. They were just mere spectators when the accused Krishna Kanoja was stabbing a girl to death. If talking about the chronology of the incident happened on 7th of January in Pune's Yeroda area, where a man named Krishna Kanoja called his colleague Shubhada to the parking lot of WNS company, which is situated in Pune's Yeroda area. Later, some conflict erupted between them, and then he used a sharp weapon and he stabbed her to death. Later, she was rushed to the hospital nearby, and while being treated, she succumbed to the injuries. This was the primary information. Later, after the police investigation, a shocking information has come to light. According to the information given by police, there was some financial transaction between them, and Shubhada, who is the victim of this incident, had asked for money from Krishna Kanoja. She used to ask 25 to 40,000 frequently in terms of EMIs, and when he asked to return money, she did not return. And being mad on this, he stabbed her to death after calling her in the parking lot of their company. They both were colleagues actually, and later when he was presented before the Pune district court, he said a shocking he told a shocking detail about this actually. He said that Shubhada used to ask for money by telling a lie. She used to say that my father is not well, I need money for his treatment and surgery. Then when he felt somewhere where he felt a doubt, he visited her native place, where he found out that her father is completely okay and he's doing fine. When he came to know this, he asked his money back actually, but when she refused to give, this incident happened, and this shocking incident has been recorded by a person who was present there. But looking at this incident, Vasudha, there's a question mark on humanity, as we can see that he is stabbing her to death and yet no one is coming her to help. Instead, people are just being mere spectators at that point of time. And later, when she was rushed to the hospital, she succumbed to her injuries. And as we can see, he's also having conversation with the people there. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it is a question mark on humanity here. Also, it is also a question mark on the Pune police, as they are not able to curb such incidents, because this is the 5th or 4th incidents in last 2 weeks which has happened. And considering this Yeroda incident case, the police custody has been given to the accused for further investigation.
Also, Revati, help us understand a little bit about the victim here. This seems to be a financial dispute, but a colleague, she was killed, she was stabbed by a colleague, and he actually thought it was okay to kill the woman because he was not paying back the money that she owed him. Tell us a little bit about the victim. Where did she work, and what do we know about her family, her age, and what is the police saying? Where is the investigation on this?
As I mentioned earlier, these both Shubhada and Krishna, they both were colleagues at WNS company, which is situated in Pune's Yeroda area. They had a financial dispute, and due to which this incident happened. She used to work there from last 2 to 3 years, and further details were disclosed during the hearing of this case in Pune District Court, where the accused Krishna Kanoja accepted that he stabbed with the sharp weapon, but he didn't intend to kill her. It was just to teach her a lesson. But the outcome of this stabbing was something different, and she succumbed to the injuries, and she lost her life at around 9:15 p.m. on the same day. Vasudha.